Tension in court as Nnamdi Kanu drops powerful statement after his judgment. See the details. Good day, my people. Welcome to the news channel. And this is the news in full. On Monday, a dramatic scene unfolded at the Federal High Court in Abuja when Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), had his bail request denied. Kanu, who is facing charges of treasonable felony, sought either bail or transfer from the Department of State Services (DSS) to prison. Alternatively, he requested house arrest. However, Judge Binta Onyako refused his plea, indicating that the appropriate recourse would be to appeal to a higher court. Despite denying bail, Judge Onyako mandated that Kanu must be given access to his lawyers, not exceeding 5 individuals per visit, and a clean place for consultations at the DSS detention facility. She also granted Kanu access to any doctor of his choice. However, she warned that any further similar applications from Kanu's legal team would be considered an abuse of judicial process. Following the ruling, a visibly agitated Kanu labeled the prosecution counsel, Chief Adeboyega Awomolo's son, a terrorist. Kanu, who is answering to a 7-count treasonable felony charge, said he was surprised that the senior lawyer, who is currently the chairman of the Nigeria Body of Benchers, could not advise the government properly. Kanu insisted that going by the provision of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022, he could no longer be tried since Nigeria breached international treaties that forbade the forceful arrest and rendition he was subjected to. He argued that both the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court, in their various decisions, declared his forceful rendition from Kenya as an act of illegality. Kanu, who kept waving a bunch of law books he entered the dock with, said, "My lord, you said in your earlier ruling that you will not grant me bail until you make a determination about the reason for my disappearance. But you have not done so. At this stage, I am of the opinion that you can't try me without first looking into that. The criminals came to my house to kill me. I don't understand why my trial must be conducted contrary to the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is the laws of Nigeria as of today. This court is in violation of the laws of Nigeria, Section 2(3)(f) of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022, and it is very clear." At this junction, the prosecution, Awomolo's son, tried to interject by asking Kanu's legal team to call him to order. Turning to Awomolo's son, Kanu, who was simmering with anger, said, "This man is a terrorist for conducting a trial in violation of an international treaty that Nigeria entered into. Once a treaty is entered into and signed, it becomes a law. They are all terrorists. No court can try me in Nigeria. Anything done in violation of any treaty entered into by Nigeria is an act of terrorism. This man here is a terrorist. As of today, he is a dishonest man. You are a terrorist. Who the hell are you? Follow what the law says. I have been in detention for over 3 years. You are the chairman of the Body of Benchers and you are violating the laws of this country." People, this is not the news for today. We see say Simon Ekpa has gotten angry over the recent turn of events in the court of law. And this is the news for today. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video, and subscribe to this channel to get more news from this channel.